If you've been thinking about launching a manufacturing business, let me ask you this. Have you seriously looked at Florida? Now I get it. Most people think of Florida as a land of beaches, retirees, and theme parks. But behind the palm trees is one of the most quietly powerful manufacturing hubs in the country. And in a post-pandemic, tariff-shifting, supply chain shocked world, Florida is not just a smart option, it's a strategic move. I'm Santiago Cueto, a board-certified international attorney, and today we're going to talk about what's reshaping the manufacturing landscape. Trump's tariffs. Whether you agree with them or not, they've reshaped how businesses think about manufacturing. Importing goods from overseas, especially from China, is no longer the cheap, easy answer. Suddenly, domestic production is back in style, and Florida is uniquely positioned to take advantage of that shift. You want to be close to your customers, avoid overseas shipping delays, and bypass the unpredictable cost of tariffs? Florida gives you the edge. With deep water ports, international airports, and rail that connects you across the US and into Latin America, Florida lets you stay global while making your goods local. But geography's just the beginning. Let's talk taxes. Florida has no personal income tax. That alone gives you more room to reinvest in your business. On top of that, the state offers targeted tax exemptions for manufacturers on machinery, equipment, and even electricity used in your operations. That's real, bottom line savings. And in a world where margins are tightening thanks to tariffs' ripple effects, every dollar counts. Here's another edge, talent. Florida isn't just full of sunshine, it's full of skilled workers. With over 20,000 manufacturers already operating here, you've got access to a trained, experienced labor force. Plus, state and local programs actually invest in vocational training tailored to manufacturing. You don't have to spend a fortune retraining people from scratch. They're ready now. And I can't ignore this, speed to market. Florida's regulatory climate is business friendly. The permitting process, streamlined. Want to get your facility up and running fast, especially while competitors are still stuck in red tape up north or out west? Florida says, let's go. That speed is critical when you're trying to adapt quickly to a new tariff impacts or move production onshore. But let's step back for a second. Starting business is all about life, your life, and that's another hidden advantage. Florida offers the kind of lifestyle that actually helps you attract and retain top talent. Whether it's young engineers who want to live near Miami or families looking for affordable suburbs with great schools, Florida delivers. Lower cost of living, no snow to shovel, and yes, beaches are still included. Here's the real story, tariffs. Global uncertainty, rising shipping costs. They've all made overseas manufacturing less attractive. But for those who are ready to pivot, to produce locally, and to think strategically, Florida has become a manufacturing magnet. You get access to markets, tax advantages, skilled labor, fast setup, and you get to build something meaningful in a state that's built for growth. Florida isn't just a good option. In today's climate, it might be the best move you can make. The tariffs may have changed the game, but Florida gives you home court advantage.